What up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Notion AI. So, Notion, for all those of you that deal with a lot of tasks online, you know that Notion is used to properly organize your tasks. It's like your own, little personal assistant on the internet. So, Notion now has a proper AI integration, and it is properly integrated with GPT-4 and cloud. And for what I know, they don't use your data to train their AI models. So because a lot of the things in Notion tends to be private, except it's shared. So I don't want to waste you guys' time on the entire introduction and everything, and I'm just gonna hop right into the Notion AI dashboard. So as you guys can see, I have a clean dashboard. I already asked it to do something for me, but I have a clean dashboard. So right here it says private, and you could just click on add new. So you have empty page, empty database, build with AI. So since we're talking about Notion AI, I'm just gonna click on build with AI. So you can ask Notion AI different things. So you can say, create a task, create an organized task for me to stick with my calisthenics workouts 3 times a week. So let's see what the AI model does for us. So I'm just going to click on enter, and it's going to help us design the database, add views, and add the pages so we can take a look at it. So gone are the days when you'll be the one to come in here and schedule out your tasks and different things like that. And we're gonna test it out for different type of tasks too. So just to see it. So it shows us right here weekly schedule, progress board, workout list. So progress board, full body circuit, burpees 3 by 10. So different things like that. So 3 times a week, as you can see. Workout list, full body circuit, lower body and core, and upper body focus. So it shows you the different ones. So you can see right here, progress board. You can look at it right here. So energy level, let us see the two hidden properties. So workout list, energy level right here. So high for the full body, medium for the lower body, and then high for the upper body. And then notes, come here and do it. And then progress photos. You can always add in your progress photos. So let's just click on and then done, just for now. And so we get to see it. So you can click on here to open in calendar, and you typically be told to authorize it directly with any type of calendar that you use. Could be Google Calendar or any other local calendar that you use. But this one we're going to use it in Notion calendar. As you can see, connect your account. We're not going to do all that because this is just an example, but I'm just showing you guys things you can do with it. So you guys can see new item. Come here, add in what you want to add in, and then add your comment. I don't need this. All right. So this is how it looks like. So you can go with our progress board. You can add a new item in here. So anything you're doing in progress. So exercise list. Let's say, sorry, full body circuit. Add duration. Let's say an hour, and then you add. Then you can go ahead, add duration, energy level, things like that. So as you guys can see, you can use this to create any task you want. Unlike before where you had to be the one to come in here and manually do it, and you can always edit it. So if you click on edit, you'll be able to edit any of the workouts you want to edit, and the reps in the sets. So let's go to another one. So let's create another new task. Add new, build with AI. Let's ask it to make a schedule for creating weekly YouTube videos, YouTube and TikTok videos, and TikTok videos. Let me say, make it very organized and understandable. Hopefully, I'm spelling understandable very well. Yeah, I think I did well. So you can just go ahead and enter, and it's going to design a database for you that you can always go back in here and edit. A lot of AI tools tend to be straightforward, just like theirs. So let's just take a look at it. Okay, so it has our calendar right here. And it has our content board. So lightning setup masterclass on April 16. Behind the scenes shoot, 5 must-have camera accessories. So different things like this. It just kind of gives you a sample. Obviously, you can always go in here and edit this. All content. So you got different things. Quick. So the content title, quick camera settings guide. You can always edit this after you send this in there. Lightning setup masterclass. Different things like that. Duration 1 minute. That's for the TikTok, and then for the YouTube, those are the ones that are longer than 5 minutes. You can always add tags in here. So the tag tutorial, the other one is review tutorial. Equipment needed. You can see the equipment needed for each one, and you can also add your team members. And just so you guys know, as I said before, as much as you're able to do this with AI, they don't typically use your information to train the system. It kind of just goes out on its own. So let's just say add or make changes. Let's just say the videos are around AI tools. And I'm just gonna click on enter so you can go back again and make changes. Okay, as you guys can see, it re-edited the titles right here. You guys can see it is changing. Creating amazing art in 60 seconds. Cloud AI free features showcase. Chat GPT complete beginner guide. How to install stable diffusion locally. Dolly versus me journey. And as you guys can see, it goes ahead and changes up what we need. So then we can just click on continue. You can always, add as much changes as you want. And let's just click on continue. And tools cost overview, platform list. I'm just gonna check all the boxes. So platform list, so different platforms. So we got for Facebook, go ahead and add in this. So we got for Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube. And let's just click on done. And then we'll be able to see it right here. Content board, same thing. You can always come in here and edit it. So if you click on edit, you'll be able to edit. If you click on platform, you can add in a platform that you want to add in. So let's say you want to add Instagram to this, or let's say you want it to just be YouTube, as you want it to be Facebook. So different things like that. It's straightforward. This tool really helps you come up with your own schedule and helps you organize your own task for those of you that need a system to help you organize your own task. As I said, it's your own little AI personal assistant. And I'll say it's worth it for people who actually need organization in order for them to get a lot of things done, because I know that's how I tend to get a lot of things that I get done, completed. So let's just take a look at the pricing. If you click on pricing, so they have I always go with monthly because a lot of people don't tend to pay yearly for a lot of things. So they have a free plan right here that you can use. A lot of people use this. They also have a $12 per month plan. You have unlimited blocks for teams, unlimited file uploads, 30-day page. You can invite up to 100 guests. You can sync the database with third party apps, custom automations, different things like that. They have a business plan. You can verify any page, bulk PDF exports. You can always export a lot of these things. Invite up to 250 guests, 90-day page history. And then for the enterprise one, you have to contact their sales. So I have a link to Notion AI in the description below. Make sure you guys use it. I get an affiliate commission and I'll be happy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And by the way, I have a nice a nice email package for you guys. It's not necessarily an email marketing package, but it's how to use AI to pretty much help you advance your business.